Tonight, I will gonna cook sinampalukang manok. Okay. So, ang gagamitin ko ay chicken breast. Ayan. Tara, let's go. Okay, ayan, kulong-kulo na siya. Shall I taste it? Ang sabaw. Okay, pwede na. So, ilagay na natin. Oh. This one, you don't have to put sotanghon noodles if you don't like it. This is just my preference. Okay, yan. Okay. And I will then put my sitaw. Okay. Balikan natin. Ayan. So, titignan na natin kung luto na ba yung ating sitaw. Okay, so halfway through na siya na-cook. So, ilalagay natin yung ating pampaasim. Ito ang gagamitin natin. Okay. Right guys, so luto na yung ating sinampalukang manok. Yan. Nice. Tikman natin yung sabaw. Yummy. Katamtaman lang. Okay guys, let's go. Eat na tayo.